This is the S-shaped taillight from LED Factory Mart. What I really like about this is it's smoked. It also comes in a traditional red as well. Incredible bright reverse light, as well as an incredible bright turn signal here too. It's got a really low profile design that's really nice and slim. And at the same time, this is all we're going to connect up to the factory harness. It should take no time. So on the rear driver's side, we'll go ahead and pop this trim panel off right here. And down inside here is this nylon nut that we'll go ahead and remove simply with a 10mm socket. Be careful not to strip it out. With that nylon nut removed, we'll go ahead and pull the taillight out. And we'll disconnect the harness to whatever lights you have connected. And the only thing we need from the old taillight is this horn right here that removes very simply with 3 screws right there. And then we'll put it on the new taillight. We'll connect the harness from the new tail light. And then we'll put it back in place. Put the nylon nut back in place. Then we put the cover back in place. And now that we've got the S-shaped tail lights from LED Factory Mart installed on the driver's side, we'll go do the exact same thing on the passenger side.